Okay. And okay, so let's check the circuit breaker all the way in. And warming RPM for 75.
Yes.
Yeah, for here. Okay, engine gauges, oil pressure green, curb, clutch light is 4 out. Let's check the magneto.
Yep.
Yeah. Both left light, 1000, 1000. Back to
Maybe
both.
check and a little bit waiting.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, continue.
Okay.
Next time you are waiting, okay?
Okay. Okay, both left, 1000, 1000. Back to both. And RPM maintain for 75. Okay, let's check the carpet. Carpet up. Yeah, carb time is increasing. Carpet down.
You know, the winter time is so cold, right? If you got the clutch light out, 75, right?
Yeah.
Then we have to wait in the inside the green arc.
Okay.
Then if you too much waiting, so just waiting, waste of time, right? Then you know, 80, check 80s.
Okay.
The winter time is much better.
Okay.
Summertime is coming soon, the needles are within green arc.
Okay. Okay, let's check the sprinkler check. Sprinkler check. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, sprinkler clutch is working. Back to 75. And how about listen to 80s now?
Yep.
Okay. 1, 2, 7, 7, 5. Oh, magneto
Yeah.
to the lights.
Yep.
Long Beach Airport information, Foxtrot 2353 Zulu, wind 280 at 9er, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 19er, 2.12, altimeter 29er, 88, ILS runway 30 approach in use, runway 30 arrivals, and runway 26 left tower frequency 109.4, runway 30 departures, and runway 26 right tower frequency 120.5. All departing VFR traffic contact clearance delivery 118.15 with position and departure point prior to taxi. All ground traffic use 133.0. Land and hold short operations are in effect. Notice to airmen, use caution bird activity. Crane 2 miles southeast of the approach for runway 30, up to 300 feet AGL. Advise initial contact information, Foxtrot.
Mile southeast approach and runway 30, at or below 300 feet AGL. Advise initial contact, you have permission, Echo.
I don't know which one, Foxtrot and Echo. Maybe
Long Beach
Foxtrot.
Airport information, Foxtrot 2353 Zulu, wind 280 at 9er, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 19er, 2.12, altimeter 29er, 88, ILS runway 30 approach in use, runway 30 arrivals, and runway 26 left tower frequency 109.4, runway 30 departures, and runway 26 right tower frequency 120.5. All departing VFR traffic contact clearance delivery 118.15 with position and departure point prior to taxi. All ground traffic use 133.0. Land and hold short operations are in effect. Notice to airmen, use caution bird activity. Crane 2 miles southeast of the approach for runway 30, up to 300 feet AGL. Advise initial contact information, Foxtrot.
Mile southeast approach and runway 30, at or below 300 feet AGL. Advise initial contact, you have permission,
2809.
Echo.
28.
280.
So last time, it is
Okay.
Long Beach Airport information, Foxtrot 2353 Zulu, wind 280 at 9er, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 19er, 2.12, altimeter 29er, 88, ILS runway 30 approach in use, runway 30 arrivals, and runway 26 left tower frequency 109.4, runway 30 departures, and runway 26 right tower frequency 120.5. All departing VFR traffic contact.
Okay. So door closed. And today's temperature is 19. and 226 and 235. Maximum manifold pressure for 235. 235 and friction off. Cyclic burst.
It's okay, frequency.
Sorry?
Frequency is okay.
No. Two.
Yeah, before open throttle, you are adjusting. So
Okay.
don't forget it.
One nine oh five.
Nope.
Nope. Oh, a 4?
Yeah, 4.
Yeah, 11904.
Yeah, you must memorize, you know, examiner not teach you.
Okay.
Yeah. So just like feel to the examiner.
Okay, I'm a pilot in command.
Yeah. That's why you are so much close to the throttle.
Okay. So now. Okay.
EBS 9810 heavy, traffic 11 o'clock, 2 miles eastbound 1000, Cherokee, and the downwind for runway 26 left.
Okay.
Look at GPS, 98.
RPM up.
Number 73 Delta Golf left,
Double doors on,
runway 26
increasing
left, clear for
throttle.
takeoff. Clear for takeoff, 26 left, 783 Delta Golf.
Today, it's okay.
Yeah,
before,
listen after.
Inbound on the ILS.
Clutch lights. Clutch lights out.
07 Long Beach Tower, the first runway.
Then before pick up, turn, steer clear now, okay?
Okay.
Southbound prior to the pyramid.
Prior to pyramid.
No warning light, no caution lights. Okay.
Number 3048 Echo, follow traffic upwind, they're also left at the river, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 26 left, clear for takeoff. 48 Echo.
Number 431, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
6 left, clear for the option, 431. Long Beach Tower helicopter, November 7680 Hotel at Maverick request pad assignment with information on Foxtrot.
7680 Hotel, Long Beach Tower, contact tower, actually. Number 7680 Hotel, contact tower 120.5.
Contact tower 120.5. Helicopter 852 Mike Hotel, same firm.
Helicopter 853 Mike Hotel, runway, correction, landing at Maverick will be at your own risk. Just use caution, company traffic, I think it's trying to depart soon.
One more time, radio call, right?
And 290 at Niner.
Long Beach Tower helicopter 7680 Hotel and Maverick request pad assignment with information on Foxtrot.
7680 Hotel, Long Beach Tower, standby, traffic inbound.
Standby, helicopter 80 Hotel.
Maybe the, 7446
Delta.
over there.
Yeah, over there.
Maverick.
Exit downwind, Southwest Delta.
They're coming to here.
Yeah.
Ah,
Then maybe it's occupied, right? Maybe landing over there.
yeah, over there.
Number 35 Victor, runway 26 right, clear for the option.
26 right, clear for the option, 35 Victor.
Maybe much better. Can I? I have.
Okay.
Thank you.
Collective free.
26 right, clear for the option, Southwest Delta.
Light on skid.
Light on skid.
Then, helicopter coming. Just pick up. Okay, set down.
Okay.
Okay,
nice.
you have
I have control.
75. Right now, hold 6 and hold one of the other Lucas come from the southwest, westward arrival.
Yeah. Could I turn to right for my?
Yes.
Easy
Radio
for
Hotel landing, departure from Maverick will be at own risk.
Over time.
Say again?
Yeah.
Say again.
Brave Hotel, departure from Maverick will be at your own risk.
Take up at Maverick, review on my risk, helicopter, AC Hotel.
Okay. Yep.
Hotel traffic just above you, upwind runway 26 left.
Okay. Pick up.
Okay, RPM's off.
Cabin off.
Auto friction off?
Yep.
Yeah, auto friction off. Loud and skid.
Strike clear for the option number 2, and we'll be straight out after this 5 and Delta.
We're coming back to land, 143, turning crosswind now. This is short clear to land number 3, 143.
Oh,
You need a pedal adjustment.
okay,
You are, don't stop.
okay.
See, they're so fast, right?
Okay.
More slowly.
More
and
slowly?
yet,
Okay.
just like that.
Brave
Just
Hotel,
like
have you started your departure yet?
Is it all City Hotel right now lift off from the Maverick? Thank you.
So initial takeoff, you are so much faster cycle.
Okay.
So take care.